Every day seems to start the exact same way. You wake up, your thumb scrolls before your brain even turns on, and within seconds you've already compared your life to a stranger's highlight reel. Someone richer, someone prettier, someone bragging about making $1 million in their sleep, and just like that, your day is sabotaged before it even begins. That's the modern trap. More input, less progress. But the people who actually fix their lives do something radically different. They build everything on the most boring foundation imaginable, and that's exactly what turns their entire life around. It begins with morning control, when you decide to stop waking up like a malfunctioning robot who snoozes, scrolls, panics, and burns through their energy before the day has even started. You drink water instead of dopamine. You make your bed instead of making excuses. And those tiny moves feel pointless at first, but they're not. They're proof. Proof to your brain that you can finish things, that you can stabilize your environment, that you don't need chaos to feel alive. Then comes the midday reset, that quiet walk after lunch when you used to collapse into a food coma and give your afternoon away. Now you walk for 10 minutes. No headphones, no tracking, no grind culture motivation. Just breathing, just recalibrating. It's maintenance, and maintenance beats motivation every single time. Evening becomes a revolt against overstimulation. Instead of drowning yourself in scrolling until 2 a.m., you open a book, a real one with paper, and your nervous system finally remembers what calm feels like. Slowly, all these habits begin to link together like gears in a machine. You hydrate so you feel better so you eat cleaner, you sleep deeper so you wake clearer so you plan smarter. Discipline stops looking like punishment and starts looking like peace. You begin living with fewer negotiations and more decisions. Going to bed on time, not because you're hardcore, but because exhaustion is expensive. Eating the same breakfast because choices drain energy. Keeping your routine predictable because excitement burns fast, but rhythm lasts forever. And then the financial mirror appears. You track your spending, not to restrict yourself, but to finally stop lying to yourself. Every dollar reveals a pattern. Impulse, boredom, stress, escape. When you face it, guilt dissolves and responsibility rises. Suddenly your spending matches your values, your time matches your goals, your energy matches your future. You simplify your food too. No overpriced smoothies or fashionable powders, just real food that keeps your body sharp and your wallet sane. You clean your space in 10-minute resets because your environment is the loudest voice in your life. And when you control your space, your mind stops screaming. Then comes the hardest part, the friend filter. You say no to nights that drain you. You ignore guilt trips disguised as invitations. You understand that fun used to mean escaping yourself, but now fun means improving yourself. The people who really support your growth stay, and the ones who only liked your old habits fall away. And finally, the truth behind all of it hits you. The one habit these routines were building from the start, keeping promises to yourself. That's what boring really means. It means reliable. It means solid. It means being the kind of person your own mind can trust. Because no one cheers when you drink water, no one claps when you make your bed, and no one congratulates you for reading one page. But those are the behaviors that transform you into someone unrecognizable. Boring habits stack into powerful identity. Identity becomes discipline, and discipline becomes freedom. So start your boring era now, because boring is not the opposite of exciting. Boring is the foundation of unstoppable. If you love psychology that exposes real habits, real behavior, and real transformation, subscribe to the Known Sense, because here we don't just motivate you, we rewire the way you think.